What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to make the Claude AI write the recommendation letter for you. So for that I have made a professional prompt that you guys can use in order to get the best result out of it. So first thing is that I have written this prompt using the AI. I just gave what I actually wanted. In the return I have a full descriptive sort of a prompt. So it will act as an expert executive communicator. I need you to write a highly persuasive and professional letter of recommendation for a former colleague. Here's the core information: the candidate name, my role, candidate role, duration of working together, contacts. We work together closely on software automation and business development initiatives. Please structurize these, blah, 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 blah. And at the end, what you guys actually have to do is to just change it by with your full name, your title, your company, your email address, phone number, and date. And then you guys can simply send this letter to the person that you want to send it to. So this is how you guys can actually do it. I really recommend using the Claude AI, and I also recommend you to use Opus 4.8 version. So this is basically how you guys can do it. I really hope you like the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment about the next video that you want me to create for you guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.